So, good evening, guys. I'm going to prepare my speech for today in regards to my career choice for after college. And my career end goal will be a nurse practitioner. I have had a couple of thoughts of being a mentor after college and just helping people prepare for, an MA program, a nursing program, what they're to expect, what they're going to come in contact with, how they're going to have to think, possibly tutoring, just something to help prepare when it comes to the nursing program. Based on COVID, we really didn't have that hands-on experience. The resources were there, but it was really hard to be in contact with staffing at the school, because they're being pulled in different ways. A lot of demands, I'm sure, a lot of emails. So I felt like it would be pretty cool to extend myself after I finish the program, just because I feel like I'm doing so well. I'm able to manage it pretty good. Excuse me. And I think I'll be a great tutor. But that's just something that I would like to do after college. My end goal will be to be a nurse practitioner. I would like it not only for the financial stability or gain, but just because I like the interaction with patients. I like the one-on-one experience when I'm in the room with them, when I room them, when I am helping with an injection, a blood draw, education on their medications, just the interaction with them and the joy that I feel I bring to patients. I would like to expand that experience with them. So I'm pretty stoked about that. And just being in the nursing program and just learning the in-depth of, charting of the medications, of diagnosis, the body systems. It's really interesting. And even being the age that I am, not that I'm old, but even being the age that I am, I'm truly enjoying the learning process. I'm intrigued. It is a little different when managing, a lot of things, but I feel I can do it. How I'm going to achieve this goal. I know what I went through with not accomplishing my goals or dreams when I was younger. I did put things off based on financial stability. I was a younger mom, and now I'm stable. I'm a little bit more structured. I'm able to do things freely without, needing too many sources to help me obtain those things. So I feel like just the drive that I have now and what I'm able to do now as an individual and a young mom, I'm able to do what I gotta do. Do what I gotta do to get things done for me and my girls. I do have a 12 and 4-year-old. Soon will be a teenager, so I'm just trying to show them, what they have to do as young women and how to stay focused and just, don't give up, because anything can happen. A lot of things have happened to me, and kaboom, I'm here. So, I just had some things that went on when I was younger, and I would have liked someone to be in my corners to push me a little more, or just to have the support or a babysitter, and I didn't have those things. So I want to show my daughters that they're able to do that, but they will have their mom. Okay, so that would be cool. And I also did choose other things before priorities. Like, I did have to work more than go to school, and now I kind of have the luxury of I can take time off and focus on school or go part-time, just because my financial stability is a little different. So it's a plus and a gain, or plus and a negative. But when I was younger, it definitely was not a plus. I had to work. I couldn't really focus on school. It was really either or. It wasn't can have both, and I have the luxury now to have both. So it's pretty cool. What are you doing to make this happen? So I have started a financial plan, and I also encourage my daughters to have goals. And, something interesting, we went to dinner. We actually went to the Water Grill in Santa Ana, I believe. Yes. And I asked my daughter, what are their goals? And my 4-year-old chose to say that her goals were diamonds. So my daughter thought that she thought I said gold. And I said goals. And then when I explained it to her, her goals were to be smart and make friends in school. My daughter likes to make friends. And my youngest. And my oldest, she's a little bit more reserved and quiet. She's kind of in that little like teenager transition age, and she just wants to focus on school and prepare for, you know, college she may want to go to. She does want to do 911 operator, or she does want to be a heart surgeon, which is pretty interesting to me. So hey, whatever she wants to do. But that was interesting to me. I do have my daughters, you know, write out things that they would like. I have my daughter draw out things, just because she's not actually able to, you know, write the full sentences and thought process. But if she can put it in a picture, she has the idea, the mindset, and I would rather them have the mindset of where they want to go, what kind of ideas they have, and, you know, see where they go in, you know, the next couple of years or even a couple of months. I do feel that I'm preparing better for my future. I have a clearer mind. I tend to write goals up here, inspirational things to inspire me every day. And I chose to take the word fear. And with the word fear, I have forbearance, endure, accomplish, and relentlessness. And that is basically to say that there's a word fear that is supposed to stop you from being bravery. And in that word fear, you can create words that will help you accomplish things in life and push you through. If you just look at enduring, accomplish, being relentless, you know, it's pretty cool. So I try to inspire myself daily so I can pursue anything that I want, try not to give up. And how crazy is it that the definition of bravery is a quality of spirit that enables you to face danger or pain without showing fear. And then in fear, we have these words that create you being able to do anything you want to do. So I thought that was pretty cool. It was a random thought last night, honestly. But my goal is to be a nurse practitioner. And after college, I would like to, well, after I finish the LVN program, I would like to make myself available to tutor and help people. I'm pretty good when it comes to essay writing, math skills, critical thinking, the care plans and case studies. I'm executing that pretty well. So, you know, I would like to share, you know, or help however much that I can. I'm not obliged to it. And I'm going to achieve those goals by not giving up and making sure that I don't have fear. And if I have fear, these are my components of that fear.